Hello everybody, this is Kevin again with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes and interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today is another Tech Tuesday, and again, if you like these segments, make sure you do like and subscribe so that way you'll get notifications when we're doing anything new with the Tech Tuesdays, and or when Brian is posting anything with some interviews or segments that he is doing. And so today we are going to be talking about the what we had talked about with the downloading of off of the DVDsoft.com program, and we talked about when you're downloading videos from YouTube and where they go. So, and then we mentioned that we're going to be showing you in Shotcut how to edit these files. So that's what we're doing today. So the last one we downloaded this, a basic industrial run. It's copyright free music and something we utilize. So if you guys are utilizing that and you want to put that into an MP4 format, and let's say you're using Davinci or maybe even using Shotcut, and sometimes when you pull these files over, they don't work. You have to convert them into either MP4 or YouTube MP4 smaller file. You can do that. So what we have done now is you see Shotcut's behind me here. We pulled the video into Shotcut, which is another program, and we'll have that program down in the link so you can download that. We've talked about Shotcut, and we're going to also go through a lot of the editing stuff that's in Shotcut, a lot of helpful tips within that on other segments. But today we're just covering this video that we did. So now in Shotcut, you can go through and you can, go through the cut it, size it, however you want. But basically today I am just showing you how to export the file and export the file only. So you'll click on YouTube and then you'll click export file. So here's your files that pop up. So depending upon how you want to name them or what you want to do, you can put them into anything. You can create a new folder, name it however you want to name it. But as soon as you do name it and then put it into that file folder, so you'll see here, this is one that we've already converted. This is the one that's unconverted. So when you go through to that, you just click save. And then of course it's going to say, hey, you already have this file. You've already converted it. Of course we're going to click no, but in yours you won't have this. You'll have a new file folder that you've created, because as you see, we put in here edited. So it is an edited music track. So then as soon as you hit the save, the Shotcut will go through and you see these little downloads over here. That's the segments and how long it took to download, depending upon how long your video is, or song, or whatever you've pulled from YouTube, or whatever channel that you're pulling information from that you're downloading. So it'll go into there. And then as soon as it's done, it will, show like this. It'll show a green check. And sometimes if they show a red or an X, then it didn't download or there's something wrong. And we'll talk about that in a different segment. Usually it's a corrupted file or there's something wrong. But sometimes there's ways around that, and sometimes the files just get blocked. But that's how you basically convert to the YouTube. And then in the next segments, we'll show you how to utilize that new track that you've downloaded that you want to use that royalty-free music. So again, we hope this helps, and we'll be doing more segments for Tech Tuesdays, not only with Shotcut, Davinci, programs that we utilize, that Brian and I utilize to do our channel and to help us. And if there's something else out there that you guys know that might even work better, let us know. Or if there's something you're hung up on, just throw us a comment and we'll try to get out those segments as quickly as we can. So, if you don't see it come out right away, we're probably working on that, and we'll get it out, and hopefully that'll help you guys out. And we'll see you on the next one.